everyone, welcome to 5 minutes belly dance with me. Alright, now let's do some combinations so that you can practice this layering shimmy. We will start by doing our horizontal hip figure 8 on the right side. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're going to immediately start on the left for the next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back on your left leg, and then we're going to just put our right leg in front, and now we are actually angling our hip, but our body is still facing the front, so you're going to look sideways like this. All right, so you're going to start on the right again, but with the left leg front, with the right leg front, sorry. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to go fast on the 5 with a half figure 8, and then just come back 6, and then step on the 7 and 8. All right, it's basically step, touch, prepare to go to the front now on your left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come back, 7, 8. Okay, we're going to do this 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hands, I'm not going to do anything with the hands because I want you to concentrate with the shimmy and the movement, so it's free to put your hands anywhere, okay, at the side or framing your hip. All right, just up to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the 7, 8, while I'm shifting, I'm not doing any shimmy. So the shimmy ends on the 6, on the 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So are we ready to work on this? Five, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now front 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye.